Welcome back, traders, to my market outlook on index futures for the week of August 31st. And let's go ahead and jump straight into it with ES on the daily chart. So last week was a little bit hard to trade. As you can see, all the daily candles are pretty much overlapping with one another. We didn't really have a strong move to either direction. You can see that Tuesday we did come back down into a daily fair value gap, and I was looking for new all-time highs in ES, and we got that on Thursday, but pretty much right after on Friday we dropped back down, closing near Thursday's low. And as you will soon see, we do have SMT currently here. This could definitely change, but so far ES has made a higher high, but Nasdaq has not. So what am I thinking going into the future? Well, this week is going to be a little bit hard to trade because it is going to be the first week of the month, and we also have Labor Day holiday on Monday and NFP on Friday. So definitely caution you guys to be very careful trading this week. But now that I'm seeing price take out the buy side once again, if you look to the left, we've taken out buy side multiple times, and now this is starting to look like a 3 drives pattern. So what I'm looking for is price to come back down and see how it behaves with this old fair value gap here. We did use it as support before, so what I'm looking for is for price to come back below it and then use it as resistance. I want to see this be used as inversion, and then I'm looking for sell side liquidity below these relative equal lows. This will definitely be the low hanging fruit. I think this will be an easy target to shoot for, but ultimately I think we could come back down to these relative equal lows. We did poke down below this one just a little bit, but these are still relatively equal. However, I think shooting for the low hanging fruit is going to be the highest probability. Okay, so here's Nasdaq on the daily, and as you can see, obviously Nasdaq did not make a new all-time high, and we do have SMT divergence on the highs. This is usually a bearish sign. Price came back up into this large daily SIBI, and then on Friday dumped down and closed actually below Thursday's low. So it's looking like we may be turning here. Definitely want to keep an eye on this fair value gap that was used as support on Tuesday. If we go back below it, I kind of want to see how it will behave similarly to ES. I want to see it used as inversion, meaning using it as resistance and then dropping down lower for the low hanging fruit here. I think this is going to be the low hanging fruit target on the sell side, but we could go down pretty quickly and even take out this sell side. I like this one as well. It's right above a weekly fair value gap. So I think we could take out the sell side liquidity and then go into the weekly internal liquidity and take some of that as well. Now there is one more sell side liquidity down here below this low, but I'm not really eager to try to shoot for this one. This is going to be the higher probability, and of course the low hanging fruit is always going to be the highest probability. All right, so that'll do it for this week, but keep in mind that we are having a non-farm payroll week, and we also have Monday, Labor Day holiday. So it's going to be very, very hard to trade this week. So definitely be careful out there. And even though my view is one-sided, it may take a couple of weeks for it to unfold. But anyways, I hope you got something out of this. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more analysis like this one. And until I see you next time, safe trading.